Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about Dogecoin. As we in the last video we discussed about Dencoin, you can just go to my channel and check about its fundamental which I described it yesterday. So today we'll start with Dogecoin's fundamental and then we'll go to its chart and look what can happen its upcoming days. So the topics we are going to discuss in Dogecoin today are: what is Dogecoin, why is Dogecoin value going up, how to invest in Dogecoin from India, and interesting facts of Dogecoin. We'll start with what is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency with a fun and friendly brand picture that aims to be supportive introduction to cryptocurrency. Billy Marcus, an Oregon programmer, came with the concept kind of joke cryptocurrency. He reasoned that more light-hearted coin rather than Bitcoin would have a great chance of gaining mainstream acceptance. Although Dogecoin is nowhere near the scale of Bitcoin, the joke currency's market cap has risen from more than $1 billion in early January to $47 billion on Saturday, according to the coin market cap. Why is Dogecoin value going up? Dogecoin, which began as a joke, has gained celebrity support from people like Elon Musk, Snoop Dogg, rock musician Jenny Simon, and driving the price up. Musk expressed his interest in coin once more in April, tweeting, "Doge barking at moon." Following Elon Musk's tweet, a large number of people purchased large amount of Dogecoin, causing the price to rise from 24-hour low $0.062 to $0.78, a 20% increase. The Doge run seems to be unstoppable. Now, as the price reached a new peak, in India, crypto investors can open account of any Dogecoin supporting crypto exchange, including WazirX, BuyUcoin, and others. Interested individual can Dogecoin using debit or credit card, bank transfers, IMPS transfers from the available platforms. Now, some interesting facts about Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer digital currency popular among Shiba Inus around the world. Doge is amusing friendly mascot. The Shiba Inu is a Japanese breed of dog that has become popular as an online meme and associated with Dogecoin. Dogecoin has one of the most active and largest communities in the cryptocurrencies world. This group has banded together to support a variety of charitable endeavors and other ventures. They were also able to fund NASCAR race. Unlike Bitcoin, Dogecoin has no upper limit, which means there are actually more than 100 billion Dogecoin in circulation. The meme cryptocurrency briefly replaced payment-focused XRP as the fourth largest cryptocurrency by the market capitalization. In India, crypto investors can open account of any Dogecoin supporting crypto exchange, including WazirX, BuyUcoin, and others. Interested individual can Dogecoin using debit or credit card, bank transfers, IMPS transfers from the available platforms. Now we'll go to its chart and understand its support, resistance, and what might happen in upcoming days for the Dogecoin. So let's go. Here we are on the Doge INR chart. As everyone can see, it went very high, that was until its all-time high 40 rupees because of Elon Musk's tweet. We expected it to go to $1, but it didn't go and started falling from there. And because of the Doji day, it again moved till here and then it fell from there again. Like we expected here it to break its all-time high, but it didn't. And then it again moved up until Elon Musk tweet. It was in this zone for a long period of time. After Elon Musk tweet, it got a boost and it moved up and was in this zone for a period of time. And after breaking the resistance over here, we can expect it to come till here, and after breaking this, this will be our next target. After breaking this, we can nearly expect it to go to $1 as soon as possible. So this will be our expectations from Doge in upcoming days. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video.